Bachelor Day where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. It's barbecue season. We're outside now. It's about to bucket, so I am going to do this video as quickly as possible. You may see little rain splatters starting to come down. I can feel it, but we're going to keep going. It's barbecue weather. It's summer. We're not letting it put us off. Okay, we are making salt and chili pork loins. Okay, these are delicious for the barbecue. They're also delicious if it's pouring rain and you end up eating them inside. They take 5 minutes to make. We're literally making a rub and we're going to marinate them and get them in the freezer. So you're going to need some olive oil, some salt and pepper, some fennel seeds, some parsley, some chilies that are crushed, and some garlic dried granules. Okay, and then you're going to use 4 pork loins. Now if you go to the hassle of getting all this out, you may as well make double. So if you like pork loins, why not make double and give it a go? Okay, so we're going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Honestly, this is going to be the quickest video ever. It's literally about to absolutely chuck it down. Good bit of salt and pepper. I like to make this up in the bowl and then just add in the pork loins once it's all put in together. Okay, we're going to use a tablespoon of fennel seeds. I love fennel. It depends if you like it. Let me know in the comments. Is fennel something that you like? And then we're going to use a teaspoon of your garlic granules, a teaspoon of your dried parsley. Oh, this table's a bit low. I sort of feel like I'm completely hunched over here. And a half a teaspoon. So that was a teaspoon of parsley, a teaspoon of your garlic granules, and a half a teaspoon of your chili flakes. Okay, give that a good mix around, and you're making this sort of like almost like a paste. Make sure you've got it all off your spoon, and then you're just going to take each pork loin. I'm going to do 2 at a time. Give them a good rub round about and get them in the bag. Quite often, hold on, to open my bag with one hand. Quite often when you go to make stuff like this, you end up making it on the day that you barbecue, and actually you want stuff to have sat and marinated for some time. So it's nice to get it done in advance. If you like this, make lots of them and get them all in. Now when you come to take them out to cook them, they are going to take about 9 to 10 minutes, okay, under the grill. So you're going to have to take them out of the freezer, defrost them, make sure they're flat as they go into the freezer. It means if you want to use the cold water method, you've just got a really flat bag like I have there if I lift that up. Okay, so I've not put them in one big chunk. So you're going to take them out, defrost them overnight, 9 to 10 minutes under the grill, flipping halfway over, or the same if you're doing it on the barbecue. Sort of 4.5 minutes on one side, 4.5 minutes on the other side. Absolutely delicious, and something a bit different for this barbecue weather instead of just sort of your sausages and your sort of chicken. Okay, it's gonna pour. I'm off. Thanks for watching. Bye.